Watch this video and learn how to draw a busy little bee. Later on, Artie receives a call from his friend Googly Monster. And watch to the end to see some of Louie's awesome poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artist? Come on, it's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Oh, that's me. I'm Artie. Oh,
That was a nice welcome, Artie. You're in a good mood.
yeah, I'm very, very happy today.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Let's make art.
Okay. Woo!
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
I'm so happy to see everyone today.
Ready?
Remember that bee we saw in the garden?
Yeah,
Why don't we draw him?
yeah. Oh,
Yes.
I can't wait. Yeah, let's start. Okay, drawing time.
We're going to give our bee a sort of egg-shaped body. So let's start with a curved line on the left and then curve a little bit more across the top. Remember that time I got stung by a bee, Artie?
Yeah,
It hurt.
yeah, yeah.
Well, it wasn't very funny, Artie. You've got to be very careful around bees. Now let's carry on the right side, completing our egg shape. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, little artist, here's a message from our friend Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks, Louie. Now, Artie, instead of completing our egg shape right now, we're going to draw a sort of upside-down half circle. Carry on all the way across to the right side. That's it. A little bit more. All the way to the bottom. And stop.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
I'm ready to hop into a creative adventure.
Oh,
Wow. Every drawing you make is such a masterpiece, Artie.
oh, thank you.
Good job. Stay positive. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Bunny. Now let's complete our egg shape with the bottom curve. That's it, Artie.
Oh, it's a felt time. Yay, yippee. Oh. Okay, Artie's here.
Greetings, Artie. Oh, and hello, Earthlings watching at home. It's your favorite alien chef reporting live from my spaceship kitchen.
It's so cool to see you, Googly. What's cooking up in space today?
Well, today I'm experimenting with a zero-gravity noodle soup. It's tricky because the noodles keep floating away.
That sounds hilarious and yummy.
It's a challenge, but no noodle is too wiggly for Chef Googly. Speaking of food, I heard you've got snack breaks on your show now. What's your favorite snack?
Oh, I love snack breaks. They're the perfect way to recharge when I'm doing a drawing. Yesterday, I had carrot sticks with hummus. Yum.
Carrots? Oh, do you think Bunny Fluffington would share her carrot with me?
Maybe, if you ask nicely. What's your favorite snack, Googly?
Oh, on my spaceship, we snack on Meteor Munchies. They're little star-shaped crackers that taste like cheesy comets. Want me to send you some too?
Oh, yes, please. That sounds out of this world.
What are you planning to draw in the future, Artie?
I'm going to be teaching everyone to draw a funny sheep.
A sheep? I've got an alien sheep on my spaceship. It's purple, and instead of blah, it says blip blip.
Blip, funniest sheep I've ever heard of.
Maybe I'll try it with you next time. Oh, but first, I have to finish the zero gravity soup.
Good luck with that, Googly. Thanks for calling. Snack breaks and drawing are more fun when you're around.
Blip blip for now, Artie. And Earthlings, remember, keep snacking, keep drawing, and keep being awesome!
Bye, Googly. Bye.
Next week when I'm out of town, I'm gonna felt time with Artie too.
I'm having so much fun. Woohoo!
You certainly are, Artie. Well, come on, let's carry on with the drawing now. Keep watching, because later on, Louie's going to read some of his poetry. Now let's give our bee some nice stripes inside his tummy. That's it, 2 lines so far. Here's number 3, 3 lines. Can we do another one, Artie? Number 4. I think you've got room for one more.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
One more line, Artie. That's 5 stripy lines in our bee's tummy. Let's give him some cute little wings. First the left one, draw a back to front number 3. And now the right one, draw a right way round number 3.
I couldn't believe what she's... Hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Here's a little poem about a turtle. There was a little turtle. He lived in a box. He swam in a puddle and he climbed on the rocks. He snapped at a mosquito. He snapped at a flea. He snapped at a minnow and he snapped at me. He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me. Marvellous.
Thanks, Louie, that was great. Okay, Artie, let's give our bee some little antennae. Draw one on the right, and then another one on the left. Try and make it match if you can. That's it. Excellent job, Artie.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. It smells like a hit. Whoa. Bye.
Okay, Artie, time to add some eyes. We're going to draw 2 tiny little half circles, and that's all you need to do for the eyes. You know what, Artie? I think this drawing could be finished. What do you think?
I finished.
I thought you had. It looks really good.
Yeah. Oh, I like it. But it needs colour.
It sure does.
Let's colour it in.
Okay.
Color it in, Artie.
All done.
What an awesome job, Artie. He looks great. I love the colours you used, especially that bright yellow. Great work.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow to Artie's show.
Thank you for watching.